Hello, my YouTubers. Did I tell you I was gonna come back? The light got bright, so it's like I can't quite. It don't show the colors. I don't know, but I'm gonna come back and I'm eating in front of you guys. I got this here. Look at this. Cheese. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna like drain some of this over there, like this. Cause see, I love cheese, YouTubers. So this is the, see that? All that goodness. So what I'm gonna do is, I told you guys I was gonna eat some of this in front of you guys. And this the sub. You want me to pick it up and everything? See that cheese? It's still hot. Mmm. 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 I told you guys. Mmm. It is so good. YouTubers, I promise you, go make you a hot sub. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm, so hot. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. It was so good. And it's the way you want it. Mmm. I put that cheese on it. I love cheese. Mmm. I told you guys. Mmm. A hot syrup. You know a hot syrup with just cheese. Oh my God, you can eat it with a fork. Mmm. Let me get my my mukbang shot. Okay. I would like to put my glasses off when I get a mukbang shot. Let me see, can I get it again? All right. I think I got it. But it's so good. Mmm. 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 You taste the jalapeno peppers. And y'all know jalapeno peppers go good with cheddar cheese. It's like nachos. At a theater. To swamp all that cheese on there. Let me just share. Right there. It is so good. Mmm. Make me want to dance. It's so good. It's the only thing I ate today too. Mmm. 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 All I can do is just eat it, YouTube, but it's so good. Mmm. And that cheese I put out from that jar right there. Mmm. 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 The soup is, I promise you. Mmm. I hate to talk when I eat. Mmm. I promise you, it's so cheesy. Mmm. It is so cheesy on the inside. Mmm. It's good. And it don't fall apart. It still stays together. You just suck it up in your mouth like this. Mmm. 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 And the filet dough is so good and crunchy. Mmm. Mmm. It is so good. Mmm. Oh my God. Look at that. It's still hot. This is a big sub. My baby gonna eat some when he come. This is a big sub. Look at that. Mm. It's so good. I promise you. Make you a sub at home, YouTubers. And just pig out and eat it, because I can eat. I love to eat. And I thank you guys so much for subscribing to my videos, giving me thumbs up. And loving me because I love you, okay? So make you a hot sub sandwich, all right? And let me guys know how you like it when you make it. All right, YouTubers? So I love you guys. You guys are so wonderful. I love you very much. You guys stick with me and you make me who I am, actually. You know, I am Carolyn and I love God. But when you guys look at my videos, it makes me fleur and get more excited to please you. All right? All right, YouTubers. Try my videos. Give me thumbs up. Love me for my hot sub. All right? All right then, YouTubers. Bye-bye.